What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing something a bit different here. Hopefully something fun that you guys enjoy. At least I think it should be fun. The deal in a nutshell is I'm going to let you guys choose what products from a specific website that I'm going to review. This is not usually how things work like this. Usually, you know, I decide or the brand has something new that they want me to see, but this time I wanted to kind of take a different route with things, make it a little bit fun, and let you guys decide what it is we do with the brand, the website in this case, and the products that we look at. And this was a last minute decision too, but I'm kind of just going to run with my gut on this one too. I'm actually going to give away all the items that you guys choose for me to review in that video. So after I'm done reviewing them in that video, I'm actually going to give them away as well. So I figured that might add a little bit of extra excitement there on the top. Not only are you guys choosing the items, but I'm also going to be giving them away as well. But now though, let's go ahead and talk about the actual website that you guys are going to be visiting and choosing these items from. Let me go ahead and move my camera real quick so we can talk about this website here. The website that we're going to be looking at here is called Allvendi.com. Now, these guys here are some people that I've been chatting with quite a bit. They're actually soon going to be carrying my Dauntless Modern Grooming lineup on the site here. But besides that, they have quite the selection on their site. And I really resonated with their motto, which is empowering the modern you. And they have a large selection of items on their site. They cover everything from hair to beard care, body care, you know, fragrances. They got a lot of awesome stuff on their site. And for your information too, if you're in the market for some stuff, they do offer free shipping on all their orders in the continental US with no minimums at all. So you don't have to buy a certain amount. You can buy literally one thing and you get free US shipping. And as we both know, when you can catch a break on shipping, that's always a good thing. So how exactly is this whole thing going to work? Well, it's super easy. All you have to do is go to the description on this video, click the link and browse the site. If you see anything you like, go ahead and pick it up by all means. If you see anything, you know, you might as well. You're already there, right? But specifically for, you know, the video that we're going to do here, all you have to do, pick an item that you want to see me review and ultimately give away. I will look through the comments and see which 3 products, I think we're going to go with 3, from their site that gets the most votes or the most mentions or whatever. Or, you know, if something doesn't get the most votes, maybe I'll just scroll through and choose 3 random comments. But like I said, we will do 3 products of your guys' choosing, and I will do a follow-up video where I offer an opinion on these products, and then I will give away all 3 of those in this video as well. Again, if you are there on the site and decide you want to pick anything up, I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's the standard channel code, MMTV, the one that you can use, you know, so many different places now. You just type that in there, save yourself some money, head on over there and check that out, see what they got. Post your picks in the comments section there. Let me know what you guys like from their site, and we'll go through and grab 3, and then we will do a follow-up video and review them and give them away. Make sure you also have those notifications turned on so you can be notified when that follow-up video is posted. I'll probably give you guys about a week or so to post your picks. I think that's a pretty fair amount of time to get your comments in and look over the site and everything like that. That is, I think, everything I got for today, though. You know, a little short and sweet video. It should be pretty fun to do the follow-up to this, so I really look forward to seeing what you guys pick and checking all that stuff out and then giving it away, of course. That's going to be a lot of fun. It's always a lot of fun. So a big thank you to all of you, and a huge thank you to Allvendi for putting this on for us. I think that's pretty awesome. So I look forward to checking out your picks. Thank you very much for checking out this video too. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do that. You have to be a subscriber in order to take part in the giveaway, as always. So make sure you do that. Thank you in advance for doing that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.